Hello, happy Tuesday. This is my first video with the new camera, so hopefully the lighting's on better on here so you can tell how extra bald I have become. Hope everybody had a good New Year's celebration and Christmas and Hanukkah and anything like that you celebrate. What I want to talk about today, we're a month out of a trip to Florida with our kids, and it brings up an interesting idea because I've had a couple of these calls lately about, had some parents ask me like, what documents should I get into place before I go on vacation? And, it's a good question. So I definitely, obviously, don't want to be morbid, but as the Bengals game shows last night, terrible things happen to young people. And so we don't like to think about it. I don't like to think about it, but it's best to be prepared. So I would say the first thing is have a will, especially if you're traveling without your children, because a lot of people don't realize, even if you don't have money, you can have your will set up to where whoever's you and your spouse are going to pick to be the guardian of your children, you can put that in there. And secondly, I do a limited power of attorney. I think this is a really good tool, and it's, I charge less than $100 for this power of attorney. But basically, if you're leaving the country and going, or out of state or whatever, and leaving the children with grandparents or an aunt or uncle or whatever, it's just a limited power of attorney for the length of your trip that will allow, them to call off school if need be, or to take them to the doctor or the emergency room and get treatment. And so you and your spouse, or if you're single, you just sign it, and I'll notarize it. And then you give that to them, and just have the peace of mind knowing that while you're off having fun, if one of your kids should need to go to the doctor, the hospital, or something, that your trusted loved one has a limited power of attorney to be able to get that. So if anybody's going on a vacation soon, like my family, knock on wood, is to get out of this winter weather, then those are some things to think about. Obviously, I don't like to be morbid, but they're good to have in place. So hope everybody's having a good week and a good start to the new year. Bye.